Alright, let's talk about MultiversX, formerly known as Elrond. If you're curious about next-level blockchain tech blazing the trail for the metaverse, this is one project you'll want to watch. Imagine a blockchain that's not just fast, it's capable of handling 1,000 times more transactions than most networks out there. That means, even if millions jump in at once, the system keeps running smooth. No slowdowns, no bottlenecks. The secret sauce? Adaptive State Sharding. Think of it as the blockchain dividing and conquering, splitting into smaller shards merging on the fly. It's like widening or narrowing the lanes on a highway, depending on traffic. Then there's the secure proof of stake mechanism. Every time a block needs validation, new validators are chosen from each shard. That keeps things decentralized and secure. Developers, you're covered too. The Elrond virtual machine lets you code in whatever language you love, then compiles it to WASM for blazing fast execution. Now let's talk about eGold, EGLD. It's the native token that powers the whole ecosystem. You use it for transactions, staking governance, smart contracts, validator rewards. Want to stake? You've got two options: validator 2,500 EGLD, delegator 10 EGLD. Validators get their rewards automatically. Delegators, you can claim yours once a day, easy as that. Ready to get started? Wallet.elrond.com. Delegate section, follow the steps. Plus, there's a weekly 5,000 eGold reward split among delegators based on your stake and wait time. So if you're looking for a serious blockchain power-up, MultiversX and eGold are worth a closer look.